Bovi and Yor get naughty by nature and throw shades at a popular comedian.
I'm not at all. Because I know what thing I could influence me for. He influenced me for many things and comedy not the among.
While hosting the press in a pre-event conference for his July 17th special event, Naughty by Nature, comedian Bovi and the host of the press conference, Yor, seemed to throw shades at a very popular Nigerian comedian. While answering questions about the structure of the event, this unnamed popular comedian seemed to get hit by strays. LOL.
Now you can look for trouble.
For a fact, if I advertise that you're coming to see me and then you see me for only 5 minutes and I become like the MC of my show, that's not me. That's not me anymore. I believe as a comedian like musicians, we should all have our albums. So there are different styles of comedy. Whatever anybody does that works for them, that's fine. But for me, I'm not going to advertise the show and not do the job.
Yor chipped in here with subs of his own.
It happens on the 17th. Yeah. It's not 18th. Yeah, some shows 18th. Till 4 a.m. So
you're straight shade.
Me? How did you first start off?
Who do you think they were throwing shades at? LOL. Naughty by Nature is a special comedy special hosted by Bovi. It will be staged at the Eco Convention Center of Eco Hotel on the 17th of July 2022.
I love him, man. Yes. Love don't die. Spend love.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel GoldmyneTV and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.